Hey, it's Nick from T7 Training here with this week's T7 tip for Microsoft Excel this week. But I'm at Capitol Hill here in Washington DC at the Washington Mall. You can see on the other side of me there's the Washington Monument just there. And if you're here, I'd really recommend you spend literally the whole day from sunrise to sunset here, between the Lincoln Memorial, the Washington Monument and Capitol Hill, as well as the Smithsonian Museum and the other museums around here. You're not going to have any shortage of amazing things. It's well worth coming. Look, today's tip, it's about how to easily enter edit mode in a cell in Excel. Very easy to do. You just press F2 on the keyboard to get you straight in there, and it means you don't have to double click the cell or go up to the formula bar at the top. Okay, that's this week's tip, and I look forward to seeing you next week for next week's T7 tip.